Okay, I'm going to give you a tour of the entries in the 2024 National Outdoor Book Awards. Here's our entries for the Outdoor Classic Award. And then this long table here is for nature and environment. I'm just going to scan down the table here. Quite a few entries in nature and the environment. And the largest category is outdoor literature. I'll scan down this table. We had 33 entries in outdoor literature. A lot of fine books here. And here at the end, in this area right here, these are all fictional works. So that first set of books were nonfiction. These are fictional works. Some really good ones there too.